ingredients are bacon and onions, both fried together in the same pan. A good amount of shredded cheese. We chose Emmentaler, but you can choose whatever cheese you like. This is for the filling. Now for the pancake itself. 125 grams of flour, 250 milliliters of whole milk, and 2 eggs. Let's do this. First of all, we're going to make the pancake batter. Put the flour in a large mixing bowl. Just for fun, we're going to make a little swimming pool in the middle. Now break your eggs in the pool. Our pool was a little too small. And now mix this up. When you start noticing that your dough is getting firm, gradually add a bit of milk and mix again. And just repeat the process until you have a smooth pancake mixture. As you can see, my dough is done and there are no lumps. Let's start with the frying of the pancakes. Pancake frying! Take a frying pan and put it on a fire. There is still some remaining fat in my pan from the bacon that we fried. I'm using this bacon as a base for the pancake, so I'm at this point not going to add any extra butter or oil. Turn on the heat on medium low, and wait until your pan is hot. Now take a ladle of pancake mixture, pour it in there, divide it evenly. And now that my batter is still runny, I'm already going to add my ingredients. So just sprinkle some around everywhere and some cheese as well. There we go. Now put a lid on it and let it fry for a few minutes. Okay, so just a few minutes later I checked and the bottom of the pancake is done. Now I'm just going to try and fold it in half very carefully. Press it. Turn off your fire and it's ready to be served. As you can see, my pancake is done. Let's just have a little peek on the inside. Whoa, so nice and cheesy. Looks good.